All right, so we're going to start here. So this one is going to be the middle of a linked list. It's problem 876 on LeetCode. Basically, given the head, we're just trying to find the middle node. And if there are two middle nodes, return the second node. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it, so we're going to have like one lead node, and then we're going to have a tail that's basically going like half speed. So like every single time, or actually I guess it's double. So the current node is going to go 2 every time, and the tail node is just going to go 1. And then it's like 2, and then, so it's like that will just be where the middle is once we get to the end of the linked list. We only have to go through it once. So we're going to start off here. Cur node equals head, tail equals head. All right, I'm going to do a while loop, while cur node, and then we're going to be like if cur node dot next equals none, return tail. Yeah, and I know this way seems a little odd, but like it's because that there's restrictions inside of LeetCode. There are definitely better ways of setting this up and like not having to do like these horrible checks. But like the way LeetCode has it, like they were kind of like necessary. Then declare next values, and then so else cur node equals next, tail equals tail dot next. Yeah, so we can always do tail.next because it's going to be behind. It's never going to hit the end. We only have to check cur node. And then we're going to do it again. Oh, here, let's do it under this comment. So then we're going to do it again if cur node.next equals none. So basically, if there isn't another node in the next one, then we want to return the tail. Else cur node equals cur node dot next. All right, so this will essentially just keep running until we found the tail. So basically, like when it hits the end, like if we hit it, so like if it was like an odd one, we'd hit it like on an odd, so it'd be this one. If it was even, we'd hit it on this one. So yeah, that's kind of like the way I do it with using like a tail. So yeah. All right, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let me know.